How to change Instagram notification sound. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change Instagram notification sound. For this, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now find the option of notifications and tap on that. Once you land here, you want to scroll down and find the option of From Instagram. Now tap on this. Now scroll down and here you will find additional options in system settings. Tap on that. Here, make sure that you have toggled on the option of allow notifications. Now scroll down and tap on notification categories. Here, you're going to find different options such as Instagram direct requests, alerts, comments, likes, and much more. Go ahead and tap on any one of that. Then scroll down and find the option of sound. Tap on this. Now, within these options, you can simply select any sound that you want as your Instagram notification. Once you have selected it, you want to head back. Now you can change the notification sound for other things as well, such as Instagram direct video call, Instagram direct requests, and much more. And in this way, you can easily change Instagram notification sound. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.